गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर डूइंग चैप्टर 9 डायरेक्शन। चलिए एक बार हम फटाफट रिकैप्चुलेट कर लेते हैं कि हमने क्या पढ़ा है। आफ्टर दैट वी विल कंप्लीट आवर एक्सरसाइजेस। देयर आर 4 कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ. North and south point toward the north and south pole. And after that, what is compass? Compass is an instrument that shows direction. The needle of the compass always point to the north, and from that we can locate other direction. There are 4 intermediate directions: north, east, southeast, southwest and northwest. In the earlier time, when there was no compass, man followed landmark to reach his destination, and landmark are used even now to reach a place or direct other. A sketch gives us a rough idea of a place and help in locating a place. A map gives us an exact location of the place. It is drawn to scale and it gives us location of a place on a flat surface. But the language used by a map is same all over the world, so that everyone can read a map anywhere. A scale, what is scale? As I explained in the previous video, scale is used to present the ratio between distance on a map and the distance on the ground. And what is symbol? A symbol represents real object that may be in the form of simple drawing, letter or a shape. What is the use of color on the map? A color indicate different feature on a map. For example, the blue color indicates the water. So dear student, we have done it. Now we will take the exercise of this lesson, something to know. Let's start with the first exercise. Tick the correct option. A sketch gives us a, option A, rough idea, option B, complete idea, or option C, no idea. So as I explained you, अभी मैंने आपको समझाया भी कि sketch क्या होता है. Sketch give us rough idea. So what is right answer? Option A is the right answer. A sketch gives us a rough idea. Next thing, number 2, a map give us a true location on a, option A round surface, option B flat surface, option C uneven surface. Right answer is flat surface. So we will tick the option B here. A map give us a true location on a flat surface. Now next one, we'll take the next one. 3. Blue color on a map indicates. Blue color on a map indicates option A mountain, option B desert, option C water. So what is the right answer? The answer is water. Blue color on a map indicates water. Now next is 4th, hand of the compass always point to. Hand of the compass always point to A north, B south, C east. So as we all know, the hand of the compass always point to north. So right answer is option A. Hope you have done this. Now we will take the next exercise. Fill in the blanks, and there is a help box for us. With the help of box we will complete these blanks. Let's start with the first one. There are dash cardinal points. There are dash cardinal points. 4. The right answer is 4. So we will write 4 here. FOUR 4. There are 4 cardinal points. Number 2. People generally follow dash when they have to reach a place. People generally follow dash when they have to reach a place. So हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि अगर कहीं पहुंचना हो तो हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं जनरली लैंडमार्क का. ठीक है, लैंडमार्क का यूज़ करते तो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर. द राइट आंसर इज लैंडमार्क. LANDMARKS. Landmarks. People generally follow landmark when they have to reach a place. Next is the hand of a dash always point to north. The hand of a dash always point to north. Right answer is compass. So we will write compass here. COMPASS. Compass. The hand of a compass always point to north. Next, 4. In between the 4 cardinal directions, there are 4 intermediary dash. In between the 4 cardinal directions, there are 4 intermediary dash. So, क्या है? Intermediary directions. The right answer is directions. So we will write direction here. DIRECTIONS. Directions. In between the 4 cardinal directions, there are 4 intermediary directions. And the next one is 5th. It is important to learn the dash of a map. So as we all know that it is important to learn language of a map. So we will write language here. LANGUAGE. Language. It is important to learn the language of a map. So dear student, here we have done exercise A and B. And tomorrow we will discuss exercise answer in one word. So what will you do? अब क्या करेंगे? आप जो वन वर्ड की क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं इनके आंसर फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. These are very easy. आप आंसर जो है साइड में यहाँ लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, टुमारो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कशन करूँगी कि आपकी और देखेंगे कि आपके और मेरे आंसर सेम है कि नहीं है। ठीक है, आपको क्वेश्चन 1 2 3 4 के जो क्वेश्चन है इनका आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।